If you want to take a screenshot on Motorola Edge 70 Pro and you don't want to use these buttons that we have on the right side, then let me show you what you can do. So in order to take a screenshot, you can, for example, use 3 fingers, and you can swipe from the top to the bottom just like that. As you can see, we can easily capture a full screenshot. Now, of course, this gesture can be disabled, so in case it doesn't work for you, you want to open Settings, and then go to Gestures over here, and then you should be able to find 3-finger screenshot, which of course can be enabled or disabled here. What you can also do is you can go to Background Apps or Recent, and below the preview, here we have this button with scissors. If you tap on it, then you will capture the screenshot of the app over here. So this is also another way to capture a screenshot. Besides that, if we go back to Settings, and in fact, since we are in Gestures, then over here I want to show you one more thing. If you go to Quick Launch over here, then you should be able to activate the double back tap gesture. So you can double tap the back of the phone and then something can happen. And that something, of course, is customizable. So if you tap on this setting in the bottom left corner, then over here you can choose what should happen, and we can choose Take Screenshot. You can also tap on Try It Out in order to see where exactly you need to tap and how strong you have to tap in order to make it work. But in my case, usually I just double tap here in this area, and usually it works just fine. There we go. So we can double tap the back of the phone to quickly capture a screenshot like that. What we can also do is we can use the sidebar. Now, by default, there is no option to take a screenshot by using the sidebar. But if you tap on the settings over here, if you go to settings of the sidebar, and if you go to tools, then you can add the screenshot button. So then you should be able to use the sidebar to take a screenshot just like that. So very convenient. And also we have the accessibility menu. So once again, we're going to go to settings, but this time we're going to go back to the main menu of settings. And we're going to scroll down in here, and we should be able to find the accessibility option. Here in accessibility, we're going to find accessibility menu, and we can turn this shortcut on. There we go. And you can use it in order to find the screenshot button in this place. There we go. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.